Yoga for hip and lower back, release and restore. Namaste beautiful soul, welcome back to Hamsa Yoga, welcome back to day 2 of the challenge. Today is all about lower back and hip. This release and restore the space in our lower back and the hip. So without any further delay, let's get into our practice. And if you've not yet seen a previous video, I suggest you to watch that video. The link is down in the description box. Let's start with our practice.
Let's begin with child pose, a Shashankasana. Here, feel the connection to your breath and the body. Send out all the tension here before you start into the practice.
Slowly come back to the table. Continue with some cow and cat stretch. As you inhale, raise up. As exhale, just round yourself. This easy movement that send out all the tension over your back. If there is any lack of movement in your back, you feel lots of pain because of that stiffness, the small and simple cow and cat stretch helps you to remove that rigidity on your back. Just do it for 5 to 6 times. That's enough. As you inhale, head up and push your tummy down. And as you exhale, just head down and raise your back as much as possible up. And slowly relax and get into the Sukhasana Sthiti, cross leg pose. Just sit comfortably here in Sukhasana, the cross leg pose, and start rotating your hip from the right side. With the coordination of your breath, just continue doing it. As exhale, bend forward down. When you're coming in, up, slowly, 3 times the clockwise, 3 times the right circle, and 3 times from the left side circle. And relax. So if you want, you can just close your eyes and practice this, and you can feel more relaxed with your practice. So from here, just lock your left knee from the right hand. Now raising up and side stretch. Stay here. This is one of the best stretch to feel the stretch over your side. Stay here for a while with normal inhale and exhale. Slowly come back. Let's continue on the other side. Here, pull your shoulder and extending your body and slowly down. Now slowly come back and relax. Now place your fingertips on the mat, the right hand. Now from here, just extend and twist. Open up your chest. Release out any tension or else any blockages on your chest. And relax. On the other side, same, we open up, twist, raise and stay here. A simple practice for 7 days that helps you to turn your lifestyle into a good and better. And relax. Now let us get into the table pose to move our body some more. So here, getting into the table pose. From here, try to turn your palms like this inward and start move your trunk circle-wise. Feel the stretch over your forearm and the wrist. Make a 3 or else 5 circle. I'm doing for a 5 times. I'll last one more. Yes. And relax. Let's continue this on the other side from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you have a little injury on your wrist, so I suggest you to practice with the straight way without turning your palms. So once you're done with this, let's continue with the Shashankasana. And slowly come to the table pose. Bring your right leg front, push the hip as much as possible and place your forearm down on the mat. And twist your trunk complete and bending the back leg, open up the chest, catch your foot or else ankle. Slowly back into here and place your palms on the mat. Push your hip, tucking the toes in. Raise the hip up. Stay here for a while. Yes. This is one of the best pose for your hip and your lower back. Now back to the table. Let's continue on the other side. By bringing up the left leg front, extending up your legs and place the forearms on the mat. Push the hip from here, bend your back leg, twisting up, catch your foot or else ankle. Push your hips, stay there. Open up the chest. Feel the stretch on your hip joint, the back leg quadriceps. Slowly back into center. Place the palms on the mat. Push your hip, toes tuck in, knee up and stay here. So focus on the knee. Don't bend the knee like this. Extend. Slowly back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog. Stay here. If you feel hard to touch your heels on the mat, just
lift up your heels, balance on your toes and stay there. But don't bend the knees as much as possible. Extend the knees, press the lats. As you practice day by day, you can touch your heels on the mat. Now bring your right leg forward to Rajakapotasana and bend forward down.
Slowly come back. If you feel hard to sit here, if your hip is raising, just place the block over here and slowly stay here. Once you hold here and come back and stay. Open up the chest, rolling the shoulders and stay. Don't tilt to the one side, equal weight to the left and right hip. Now back Adho Mukha.
Continue on the other side and forward. You can rest your hands relaxed. Now palms on the mat.
And slowly raise up. Roll the shoulders, pushing your chest forward. Stay there. Remember, always do as your comfortable zone. Don't push your body too much. Just according to your body, just do it. Day by day of practice, you can easily improve in the asanas. Now slowly back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bring your legs forward to Malasana Sthiti. Stay here. Slowly join your legs in Malasana if possible. Open the knees, just rest your forearm on the mat and stay here. Elbows rested. Open the knees. Slowly back to center and move to Pavanamuktasana. In Pavanamuktasana, try to focus to your breath. And so hold the Pavanamuktasana. Try to inhale and exhale. The breath plays a very important role in each asanas. Especially when we do Pavanamuktasana, as you put the more weight on your tummy, you feel difficult to breathe in and out. So focus to your breath and aware of your breath. Slowly relax. Now let's continue with Supta Kapotasana. Bring your right leg into Ardha Padmasana Sthiti and lift your legs up. The right hand between your legs, the left hand outside. By pressing your leg too much, head up and stay here. In case if you find difficult to raise your head, just head down and focus on pressing your leg. As you press your legs more, you feel stretch over your glute muscles. And relax. Let's continue on the other side. Slowly it down and relax your legs. Now bend your both legs and open your legs. Move to the Ananda Balasana pose, the happy baby pose. This is one of my favorite, I can say. Just stay here as much as possible. Press your legs down. Close your eyes. Focus to the breath. Very relaxing pose. Whenever you feel stressed and fed up with so much work, just do this pose every day to feel your inner child. Every time I'll tell for people, never kill your inner child. Keep your inner child awake. Now slowly relax and move to Shavasana. Relax, relax. Let your whole body relax in Shavasana. Just become aware of your body. Aware of your hip and the lower back. Imagine a warm golden light flowering into these areas and melting it away all the tightness, heaviness and discomfort. With each inhalation, you are receiving the positive energy from the universe. With each exhale, feel the tension dissolve. Just say yourself, I release what I no more needed. My body is free, my mind is light. I release what I no longer needed. Say yourself, I release what I no longer needed. My body is free, my mind is light. I release what I no longer needed. I release what I no longer needed. My body is free, my mind is light. I release what I no longer needed. Thank to your body. Relax. Thank you for being with me. That's it for today. I'll be back with day 3 challenge and namaste.
ಲೋಕ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳಾನಿ ಭವಂತು.